Hello there guys, welcome back to Complete and Utter Chaos at the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. What I've got in today is this is a rack battery. Oh, there you go, you can see that a bit better hopefully. How's that for framing? It's a 36 volt 7.8 amp hour ZhenLong battery. It's working absolutely fine, apparently there's nothing actually wrong with it. But the customer wants to know if I can increase the capacity, so that would involve removing everything that's in there and replacing it. Maybe keep the BMS charge port, you know, that kind of thing. But cell-wise, get rid of them, new ones. So it's a Shanshan, so they are the people that make, or invented maybe, or most popular, I don't know, ZhenLong cases. It's got a little on-off switch here, a fuse just there, and a normal DC barrel jack charge port just there. It's a 36 volt pack. Probably already said that. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips head screws to open it. And that makes 8. There's stuff everywhere, everything's going on all at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuse cover. 7 and 8 hanging around there and there. Don't want anything to do with it, does it? Well, 7 have come out. Can I stick a little magnet in there? There you go, fish it out with a little magnet. That makes 8. So inside we've got, oh, lots of broken bits of plastic. That's a good sign. They'll be off one of these battery hole mount jobbies. Yep, the one that was causing a fuss and struggling. Broken. Okay, so I see the battery indicator just up there. We've got an internal fuse here for, what's that for? Charging. We've got our back of our power switch. All looks good. We've got our positive and negative discharge wires here, and then our fuse on the output just there. So, will you just come out there? You'll just come out there, very good. Mark that then. That was plus on that side and minus on that side, because it was up that way. One of these. Just put a little with it. Okay. All stuck down nicely with silicone, but as I'm just having a peek right now, instead of dealing with the stuck down with silicone, I'm just going to slice the heat shrink off the top. See what's in there and what I might be able to replace it with. It looks as though the undercarriage here, there's a lower section here, is completely unpopulated, and there's nothing actually in there, which is interesting. Just slip that cable tie out of the way. A bit more slack on these wires then. Okay. Fiberboard off. Well, cut the tape that's holding the fiberboard on off. There we go. Oh wow, it's incredible. See. Crikey. So we've got some INR 26E cells there. We've got code on them. And we've currently got, it's 10S obviously, but how many P's do we have? Here we be 3Ps or are we 4Ps? If it says it's 7.8 amp hours, one would assume that makes it 3Ps. So 30 cells being used. Actually, calm little battery pack. Okay, yeah, it's only sort of half populated, this thing. Interesting, so an awful lot of padding. Well, let's have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Only got 30 cells in there. I know I can fit 40 in that same space, that won't be a problem. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. And you can certainly get 1, 2, 3 rows of 12 and makes 36. And there must be room for another 4 up here if they've only fit 3 in this same 4 space. Then a bit of room for a BMS should be quite doable. And we're not even talking about, there's a whole other strip underneath of unused space. So this area here is hollow and not full of cells at the minute. So certainly be able to get 4P. If I get 4P of Samsung 35Es or LG MJ1 cells, that will be 14 amp hours, nominal anyway, or rated should I say, which is plenty. All looks quite resellable. I see no funny ports and stuff going on here. It's just simply a, you can't see any of that, can you? There's simply a pos and neg. Nothing weird on the output, which is great. Oh, that's unsafe, isn't it? Couldn't they just pop straight out? They could pop straight out. Oh, terrifying. Wasn't there like a screw or something in there holding that all together? It's crazy. I'd put a screw in there if it were me, but oh well. Got some little temperature sensor wire, and just have a quick peek at the BMS. What have we got? BMS wise, we've got an obscure box covered in tape. I see 10S20A on there, so it's 20 amp BMS. Yeah, well, if I do come to resell it, I will let you know. Well, I might let you know. Might even film it like that. And if I don't, I have to undo this bloody mess I've created. Put it all back together, make it look nice for the customer, even though it took a lot of bother to undo this, but here we are. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of thing, please like, share, comment, subscribe, become a channel member and all that fun stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.